double stream. We have stream, like we have int stream, and we also have double stream. I'll tell you stream, int stream, and a double stream, and the difference between them. Stream is an object. Likewise, we have int stream object, and we also have double stream object. Right. Fetch the salary of each employee and store it into what type of stream? Double stream. If you store the all salaries of the employees in a stream of type double stream, then I can directly call average method. Which method I can call directly? Average. Because average method, sum method, max method, min method, these are directly available in the stream called what? Double stream. But the question comes here. How can I fetch salary of each employee and store it into a double stream? For that, we have an operation in stream called mapToDouble. What's the operation name? mapToDouble. Okay, we have the methods like map, mapToDouble, and a mapToInt. Okay, we have the methods like map, mapToDouble, mapToInt. Already we have used it even yesterday also in multiple examples. Which method we have used? Map. Basically, what all these map methods will do? They will take one input element. They will take one input element, and they will produce one output element. Means for each input element, they will definitely produce exactly one output element. Okay, are you able to follow me now? Are you getting my point? For each input element, it exactly produces one output element. I have a question. Input element is what here? In this scenario, what is the input element?
Salary.
No. Salary is wrong answer.
Employee.
Input element is employee. Input element is what? Employee. Employee is input. From that employee, what output I want, what I am expecting? Average later will calculate.
Salary.
First we are getting salary. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 employees are there. How many salaries I will get? 10. First employee salary, second employee salary, third employee salary. Means for each employee input, I should get output as what? Salary only. I don't want ID, name and all. Only salary. So what mapToDouble method will do? mapToDouble method also will take one input element, and for each input element, it will produce one exactly output element. That output is a double. Because salaries are what? Double. And where it can store all those double values in a stream. What type of stream? Double stream. Okay. Understand here. What map method returns? Map method returns a stream object. What object? Stream. mapToInt method returns int stream object. Returns what object? Int stream object. mapToDouble method returns what? Double stream object. Tell me here, I also want what type of stream object? Double stream object with values called employee salaries. So that's why I'm going to call which method now? mapToDouble. Am I clear with that? So that what stream will be created? Double stream. What this stream contains? Only salaries of employees. For every input element, exactly it produces one output element. If there are 10 employees, double stream contains 10 salaries. If there are 10 employees in stream 1, this double stream contains what? 10 salaries. First employee salary, second employee salary, third employee salary, like that. After getting all the salaries, then I am calling which method? Average method. Then I'll get what? Average of the salaries. Completed now? Look at the code, guys. First of all, tell me. First of all, tell me. How can I get a list, guys? List of employees, no? First of all, I need employees list, right? Which method I have to call so that I will get the list of employees? For all these operations, one common method we have created on top. We made it like a static method. It's too harsh. Okay. Okay. There is a method called which method, guys? Get employees. Get employees. This is a common method. What this method returns? This method returns a list of employees. I have a method called get employees, and this method get employees returns a list of employees. Okay, sure. Now I am going to call a method called get employees, and this method will return me a list. Now I got the list of employees. Now start creating a stream. Okay, to call the stream operation, first stream object must be created. How can you create a stream object to call a stream operation first? By calling stream method. Whenever you call stream method, what object is created? Stream object. On that stream object, you call the next method. What's the method? mapToDouble. What is that? mapToDouble. Look at this, guys. Everybody. List of employees equals to get employees. Tell me, what object is created here? List object is created. What's the name? Object reference? Employees. Tell me how to create a stream. How can I create a stream on this collection object to process the elements? If at all I want to process something on the elements of this collection object, first I should create a stream object. How to create a stream object on this collection object? By calling a method. Which method? Stream method. Stream of employee. Stream 1 is equal to employees dot stream. Am I clear with that? Okay. Is everyone? Did you guys got the point right? Yes. Good. Tell me what object is created, sir? Stream object. It's a basic operation. If at all you want to perform any stream operations on a collection object, first what should I start? Stream object. How can I create a stream object? Stream method. Call the stream. You'll get a stream object. My question to all of you. This stream is a stream of. This stream object contains what elements? Employees. For each employee, I want to get one output. What output I want to get? Again employee or is a salary only? Salary only. Then tell me, salary is a double. I have to call map to int method or mapToDouble method? mapToDouble method. mapToDouble method. I'll tell. First, let me write stream 1 dot mapToDouble. Understand, guys, clearly? There is a method available called what? mapToDouble. mapToDouble. Tell me, it takes a parameter. What is the parameter of mapToDouble? ToDouble function. What is that? ToDouble function. It is also one function interface. Means it is also having a parameter of type functional interface. Tell me, if a method has a parameter of type functional interface, what we can pass to the method? Lambda expression. But if I want to write the lambda expression, what I should know first? What is abstract method? How many parameters it has? What is the return type? I should know this information, right? Without having the knowledge of them, can I start directly writing lambda expression? I can't start. I don't know how many parameters are required before arrow token. What type of result it should return? So first go to this particular functional interface. What's the name of the interface? ToDouble function. ToDouble function. Let's go to Google and we'll open the ToDouble function. Guys, first of all, tell me, is it a functional interface or not? Yes. What's the name? ToDouble function. Okay. What is the abstract method of ToDouble function? Apply as double with how many parameters? One parameter with return type what? Double. So it is looking like map only, right? But in a map, the parameter type is function. Function is a functional interface. It has one abstract method. What's the name? Apply. I told all those names must be in the front side of our brain. Apply. What is parameter type? What is return type? Parameter is T, some type. Return type is R. Means that R could be any type of result it can return. That is apply. But here what? Apply as double. But method name is not important. To write lambda expression, method name important or parameters and return types are important? Parameters and return types are important, not the names. Name can be something else. Tell me what's the parameter here? T means some type. T is a type, right? Type. Returns what? Double. So tell me, if I want to start writing the lambda expression, how many parameters required? One parameter. Of what type? T. Who is a T here? Employee. Type is employee, na? Okay. E. Arrow token. Everybody, please try to understand. Tell me, the body of the lambda expression should return a result of what type? Any type or a double? Double. Tell me, salary is a double only, na? How can I call now? How can I get the salary? E dot get salary. E dot get salary. E dot get salary. Understand here. Which method I'm calling, guys? mapToDouble. When I call this method mapToDouble, it returns double stream object. What stream object? Double stream. mapToDouble method returns a double stream object. Left side I will store in double stream of you can't write salary as a type, or salary is a variable. How can you write like a type? Parameter means type only. What's the type now? No, it is not employee. You don't have employees now. You are only getting salaries, doubles only, of type double. Stream 2 is equal to. Then tell me why I got an error at line 160. In the type parameter, we should not use primitives. Type parameter must be what type? Class type.
Object.
Class type. It's a type, not a primitive. Primitives are not types. Primitives are data types. D capital. It's not a problem. Do I have any spelling mistake? No, right? Let's check for the error. Why? Is not generic. It cannot be parameters. Okay, it is saying that it is not a generic type. Okay, no, because directly doubles its store. Okay, double stream 2 is equal to stream 1 dot map to double. Now I can call. Look at this. Double variable, some variable. AVG is equal to stream 2 dot, what's the method? Average. But you remember that average method returns optional object. What object? Optional. Optional object. Okay. Even it is not optional, optional double. This average method returns what object? Optional double. If I keep the cursor on average, change type of AVG to optional double. Because average method returns what object? Optional double object. What is it? Optional double object. There is one more class, optional double. I'll show you. What's the class name? Like optional class, we have one more class. What is it? Optional double. Optional double. It is a class. It is not interface, it's a class. Optional double. Okay, it returns optional double object. Optional double contains methods. What methods? If present. If present method is there, if the value is present, then you can get it. What's the method you have to call? Get as double. Get as double. Then I can store in a double variable and then I can return the value. Understand clearly now. My requirement is if a value is there, return the value. If value is not there, return 0. For example, of course, definitely value will come. In case if not there, we can do that. I'll do one thing. See, stream 2 dot average. What it returns? What it returns? Optional double dot get as double. Normally, you know, optional class. Optional class contains a method called get. But here the method name is what? Get as double. Now you tell me when I call get as double, I am getting the value into double type, average variable. Return AVG. Now you tell me, how can we write in shortcut? Same thing, just tell me to write in shortcut. Shortcut is very simple.
Yes.
How can I able to write it in the shortcut? Can you guys tell me? Return employees dot
Stream.
Stream
Dot.
dot
mapToDouble.
map to double.
Double.
Exactly. Look at this now. This is a lambda expression, right?
Yeah.
Then
Sir,
tell me,
we can use method reference.
simplify the lambda expression by using method reference
Method
operator.
reference. Sir.
Yes.
employee name.
I can
Like
simplify
class name.
this, right?
Yeah.
Tell me, this lambda expression has how many statements? One statement
One
it has.
statement.
It has only one statement. Second condition, is that having one method call? Yes, one method call.
Yes.
Then we can use method reference operator for
reference.
sure. But here I have a doubt. I know three ways of using method reference operator. Class name colon colon static method name. Object reference colon colon instance method name. Again class name colon colon instance method name. Which one I have to use?
Third one.
Arbitrary method reference.
First one or second one or third one? Third one. How do you know third one?
It was calling
If
with
the method is called on,
parameter name.
the method is called on some other object reference or on the input parameter object. If the method is called on the input parameter of the lambda only, then we can use which type of syntax? Class name colon colon instance method name. Tell me the method reference operator now. Employee class name colon colon get salary dot average dot get as double. Now I'll go to main class. Let's start calling. I'll keep all these in comments. Service dot double avg is equal to service dot fetch average salary. System dot out dot println of avg. That's average salary. Average salary of employees. Am I clear now? Am I clear? Average salary of employees. Run this code. Execute it. Tell me what's the average salary of employees in my list of employees now? 5250. Okay, 5,000 to 50. Very good. Guys, the same example. Suppose if I want to call, it's the same example. But suppose if I want to find out sum of salaries of employees, exactly same example. Just tell me which method I need to call now. In place of average, sum. It will return me sum of salaries of all the employees. Now I am calculating sum of salaries of all the employees or average salary of all the employees. Average salary. So that's why we are calling which method, guys? Average method. Am I clear with that? Did you guys got the clarity on this point? Excellent. Okay, so this is a way that we can write in shortcut. Okay, employees dot stream is created dot mapToDouble stream is created. Then call average method. Then average is calculated. It returns optional double object, but I want to get as a double value. Then call the method call what? Get value. And today you don't have any confusion in writing this statement, right? Because yesterday our total session we have focused on understanding about method reference operator. That's why today you are feeling easy. Okay, right? Good. Now, if you practice 2-3 examples, you will automatically understand whether can I use method reference operator, and second thing, do I need to call it with class name or do I need to call it with object reference? Automatically we'll get that. Nothing to worry. Next.
Sir, kindly request you, can you give example grouping by?
If you have any.
Sir, one example with group by.
Now we have the mapToDouble, mapToInt, mapToLong. All the methods are there in stream. We have to immediately, if I have a doubt, immediately what you have to do, you know, that's why Google is there. Google is there for that reason only. Na? immediately we should open java.util.stream.stream. Google and all other sources are available for that reason only. We have to open stream. There are plenty of methods are available. In this today, I have told you about a method called what? mapToDouble. This one I told. What is it? mapToDouble. See, what is the other method available? mapToInt, mapToLong. mapToDouble returns what stream? Double stream. This double stream is a parameterized. It has a type parameter. Is it a parameterized class? No. Where is the angle bracket T? No, na? Now you tell me, is it a generic class or not a generic? Not a generic. Is this one is a generic class or not a generic? Not a generic. How do I identify, first of all, is it a generic or not? By using type parameter. Optional class is a generic class or not? Yes, generic. How do you know? Because of there is a type parameter in angle bracket. If you are finding angle bracket for the class name after that, it is called what? Generic class. But these three are generic classes or not generic? Not generic. So what are the map methods? You have map, mapToDouble, mapToInt, mapToLong. Okay, good. Let's go ahead, guys. What's the next? 2-3 operations still I'll explain on streams. And that is, these many examples I'm explaining slowly. You will get a feeling of, okay, I'm able to understand, I'm able to get the concept of stream. See here.
Sir, one
Folks,
example
everyone try
is
to
in
understand
group
me.
by,
Yeah.
sir. Group by.
Let's start. Okay. So guys, everyone. Okay, guys, everyone, try to understand this. Okay, like this, we have to open. We can find the methods like mapToDouble, mapToLong, and mapToInt methods are available. mapToInt returns int stream object. mapToDouble returns double stream object. mapToLong returns long stream object. Yes. Next. Next one, see guys. I want to change my employee class. So I'll write one more example. And I also want to, okay, we are keeping this example aside. Okay, one more operation I'll tell on this example so that I'll start with the next example. Okay, look at this. Stream API. Guys, so just I want to check whether all the employees are having salary more than 5,000 or not. I have a list of employees. What I want to check now? I want to check whether every element in the stream, every element is nothing but every employee in the stream has a salary more than 5,000 or not. If yes, should return true. If any one employee has salary less than 5,000, should return false. So there are some methods available called all match, any match, and a none match. Better, I'll cover them as well. Look at the methods here, guys. For the first method that you are observing here on the stream, this is stream documentation. stream interface documentation. What's the method available? All match. Returns whether all elements of this stream match the provided predicate. Predicate means generally word condition. Predicate means what is that? Condition, test condition. Test condition is called predicate. Okay, good. What's the method available? All match. Next method, any match. And here you are finding one more method called none match. What's the method name? None match. Okay. All match means all elements in the stream should match with the given predicate. Then returns true, otherwise false. Any match means anyone should match with given condition. If anyone matches, then true, otherwise false. What's the difference between all match and any match? All match means what? All the elements should match with a given condition. Any match means anyone is enough. None match means if no one is matched with the condition, then true. Otherwise, false. So what are the methods available here? All match, any match, and none match. So guys, I'll try one example to show you about all match. Check whether all employees salary greater than 4,000 or 5,000, whatever it is, some number. All employee salary greater than 5,000. Look at this, guys. Public. What is the return type I'm using here? Boolean. Folks in online try to understand this, okay? What is the return type I'm using, guys? What is the return type I'm using? Boolean. Check salary. Tell me first, to start with any operation on the streams, first what object is required created? Stream object. To create a stream object, first what is needed for me? List. So which method returns me a list of employees? Get employees. List of employees equals to get employees. Tell me, now I have a list of employees. My object reference is employees. Now tell me, what is my requirement to check? All employees have salary greater than 5,000. If any one employee has a salary 5,000 or even less than 5,000, then result will be false. If yes, every employee has a salary more than 5,000, result will be true. So to do this, there is a method we are calling. Do you know which method we are calling? All match. Okay, there are three match methods are there. What are the matches? All match, any match, none match. These are called matcher methods of Stream API. What methods? Matcher methods. There are three matcher methods are available, right? I am talking about which method now? All match. Similarly, you try any match and none match also, right? I want to first create a stream object. Stream of employee. Stream 1 equal to employees dot stream. So guys, this is a common step. Whenever I want to create a stream object to start processing, okay, before processing the elements using Stream API, I should have a stream object. So how can I able to create a stream object for my collection object? By calling the method. Which method? Stream method. So that what object is created? Stream object is created. What object is created? Stream object is created. Yes. Listen here. Look at this. Boolean flag equal to stream1 dot. What is it? All match. Guys, understand? All match method takes a parameter of what type? All matches method.
Predicate.
All match method takes a parameter. This parameter type is what? Predicate. Predicate is a functional interface. So we can pass lambda, that's for sure. But to write lambda, I should know abstract method. What is abstract method? Test. Test is abstract method. How many parameters it has? One parameter of type T. Return type Boolean.
Boolean.
How many parameters it has? How many parameters it has? One parameter. What is return type? Boolean.
Boolean.
If this lambda expression body should return Boolean. The parameter is E. I am passing the parameters employee. The stream is a stream of employee elements. So E is a stream element.
Curly braces.
E dot get salary greater than 5,000. Understand clearly? Okay, very simple. Tell me, how do I know that a single parameter I should pass to the lambda expression? I should start with a single one parameter because the abstract method has one parameter. What type of parameter? T. Who is a T here? Who is a type parameter in the stream one? Employee. Then tell me this is a employee type. This parameter is what type? Employee type. Employee has a salary. How do you get the salary? Get salary greater than 5,000. Tell me if employee salary greater than 5,000. If employee salary greater than 5,000 returns true. Otherwise returns. Then tell me the body of the lambda expression will return what? The body of the lambda expression will return what? Either true or false. Salary greater than 5,000 returns what? Either true or false. Where I am storing the true or false? In a flag variable, return flag. Now, if you look at all the employees' salaries here, guys. If you look at the salaries of all the employees, then tell me, is all the employees are having salary greater than 5,000? No. 5,000 is also not greater than 5,000. 4,000, again 5,000, 3,000, again 4,000. Then tell me, the result I am going to expect now, is it true or false? False. False. Sure, I'll call. I'll go to main. Let us go to main class. I'll keep all these things in comment. Then call the next method. Boolean flag equals to service dot check salary. SOP of flag. Guys, what's the result now? False. Why it is false? Because there are employees having salary less than or equal to 5,000. But I want to check what all employees have the salary more than 5,000. Is every employee has a salary more than 5,000? No. That's why result will be what? False. In place of all match method. If I call any match method, then the result will be true. Because any match method checks for every element should satisfy the condition, or at least one element should satisfy the condition. At least one. So there are 8,000, 7,000, 6,000 salaries are there. Result will be true. Okay. Like all match method, we have other methods also. Who are the other methods? One method is any match and other method is match. Understand here. All match. Understand here, guys. All match returns whether all elements of this stream match the provided predicate. Any match returns whether any elements of this stream, not all, any, match the provided predicate. Predicate means condition. Okay. Here what? All elements. But here, any elements. Any one is okay. That's what answer. None match returns whether no elements of this stream match the provided predicate. If no one is matching, returns what? True. Suppose I write salary greater than 10,000. No one is matching now. Because all the employees are having salary up to 7,000, 8,000 only. But nobody is having more than 10,000. None match will be true. None match will be true because no one is matching. That's what. These are called matcher methods. Understand them. So now, there is one more method that is also important.
The method reference of that statement predicates. Can you replace with the method reference?
I didn't get anything. Sorry.
No, sir. Can you replace with the method reference, sir? E dot get salary greater than 5,000. I think it's not possible, sir. Right? Using method reference, sir.
Okay. You're talking about method reference here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it possible? It's not possible, sir. I think. Right?
Employee :
That
get salary greater than
5,000. Yes. Sir.
What I am getting now?
Error, sir. Compilation. Yes, sir. Yeah.
It's an error.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because when should I use method reference operator?
In case of map, sir. In case of map.
If it contains a single statement, and that too, that single statement is to a method call, but not any conditions like less than or greater than like that. That's
Okay,
why
sir.
we got
Okay.
error. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Good,
Thank
good.
you, sir. Yeah.
Next. Yeah, there is. Guys. Understand everyone? There is a method available called flatMap. Do you know what map method will do, guys? What a map method will do?
One-to-one
Take
transformation.
Map
input.
method will perform one-to-one transformation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what map method will do? It performs
One-to-one transformation.
one-to-one transformation. What is the
Yes.
meaning of one-to-one? It applies a function to the each element in the input stream, means stream 1, and produces a new stream, that is output stream, where each element is the result of applying that function to the corresponding input element. Nothing but in basically what we can say, it returns a single value for each input. Okay, understand clearly. This is called which method? Map method. Map method exactly produces one output element for one input element. Input element type may be different, output element type may be different, but it exactly produces one input element for one output element. Exactly produces one output element for each input element. Suppose input element is employee, output element is salary. Double. Able to follow me? Input element is employee, output element is integer, employee ID. Input element is employee. Output element is names of the employees. It exactly produces what? One output for one input. That is called map by applying the function. For the next method today we are talking about flatMap. This is for one-to-many transformations. One-to-many transformations. Not one-to-one. It is called what? One-to-many. What is the meaning of one-to-many? Yes. For one input element, it produces what? Multiple output elements. Multiple output elements. Okay. Okay. Maybe you can find out here. It applies a function to each element in the input stream where the function returns a stream and then flattens these resulting streams into a single output stream. So basic in our understanding, how to understand this one? For every input element, this flatMap method returns a stream of output elements. Input element is one, but returns a stream of output elements. So for every input element, it applies the given function, returns a stream of output elements. And it will flatten all those stream of output elements together combined into one stream. So difference between map and flatMap is one of the most popular questions that you are going to get in the interview. I'll explain first. Okay, I'll explain. Please try to focus here, guys. I need some more space. Just a minute. Guys, everyone, look at this. See, I have a guys. Okay, I'll take the example like this. Please understand me. I have a list of employees. Understand, everybody? Try to get the concept clearly. List of employees. I have a list of employees. Its name is employees. Name is employees. List of employees I have is equal to get employees. My first question to all of you will come again by going back. Again, will come to front. Just tell me the code. From these employees, I want to only extract the employees with a salary more than 4,000. I want to extract what employees with a salary more than 4,000. Tell me the code for that using streams. Just like one statement, if you tell I'm agree. Otherwise, if you want to tell me step by step also, I'll agree. But tell me the code. What is my question? What is there with you? What is there currently with you? You have a list. Let's say that is list is containing employees, 10 employees or 15 employees. Some employees are there. What is my requirement? What is my requirement? From this employees list, I would like to fetch only, I want to get only employees salary more than 4,000. Can you tell me the stream operation code now? First, if you want to start any processing, what object must be created? Stream object. Tell me line by line. I'll agree first line by line. Until you get perfection with line by line, no problem. Tell me. First, the stream of employee. Stream 1 equal to employees dot stream. Guys, online people, try to understand now. This is very common. Tell me. From this stream, again, I want to get all the elements.
Yes.
Again, I want to get all the employees from this stream now, or only
Yes, employees.
the employees with a salary more than 4,000.
Employees salary more than 4.
Very good. Now take first
Stream of
employee,
employees.
check salary, apply the function. Yes, salary greater than 4,000. Okay, add it to new stream. Take second employee, check salary. Yes, add it to new stream. Take next employee. No, salary is not greater than 4,000. Leave it. Next employee, fourth employee, fifth employee, like that. Then tell me which operation of stream can do this task. Map. Because map can take one input element and exactly produces one output element by applying the mapping function. By applying the function. Tell me.
But if you
Stream
make
of
it filter,
employee stream 2. Tell me. Okay. I'll answer. Okay. First, let me conclude. Tell me. Stream 1 dot. Tell me what map has to do. Exactly for every input element. Exactly for every input element, it should produce one. Suppose if that employee salary is less than 4,000, then how it can produce output element? Are you able to get my point or not? Are you able to follow me? When should I use map? Blindly, we should not use every time map, right? When should I use map? For every input element, it must produce one output element. Tell me, in my case, there are 15 employees are there in the list 1. But out of 15, only 6 of them are having salary more than 4,000. Then if I use map, it should produce 15 elements again. Map, what is the map functionality? For every input, it must produce one output. If 15 inputs are there, it should produce 15 outputs, but I should get only 6 outputs. How can I use map here? Map is not the correct operation. Which one? Filter. You are applying condition, right? Then what should I use? Filter. That's what filtration. Filtration. Tell me what's the filtration? E arrow token E dot get salary greater than 4,000. Am I clear with that? What stream 2 contains? Employees. Stream of employees. It's a stream of employees, but this stream does not contain all the employees. Only the salary with more than 4,000. Greater than 4,000. Tell me how to convert the stream to a list again? To list. New list is equal to stream 2 dot to list. Another way is also there. Instead of directly calling to list method, I told one more approach also. Collect method. What is it? Collect. Collectors dot to list. Parameter is a collector. I told collector, collectors. I told difference between that two also. Collector is an meaning interface or class. That's what my question.
Interface.
If I stop collector is an means you have to say answer immediately. Collector is
Yes.
interface. Collectors is class.
Yes.
Collection is
Class.
interface.
Collect.
Collections is class.
Class.
Very good. Okay. Of course, you can write like a one line also. I agree. Please try to understand my point here. So, are you good with this code now? This is already there in our example. In our employee service class, we have written this already. Just I'm rewinding it. We are done. I think second operation or something. It's there already. Just a minute. Okay. Let us remove that one also. Why this half? Okay, let's start. Folks, please try to understand me, everyone. Please try to understand me. My requirement is very simple. Assume that okay, let us take first a simple example. I'm thinking about a bit complicated, but see, first I'll start with a simple example. This is list of integers. LST1 equal to arrays dot as list of some numbers 10 comma 20 comma 30. Tell me one list is created now. I told what's the shortcut way of creating array list object? Arrays dot as list, shortcut way. Otherwise, first I have to create equal to new array list object. Then next line add method, add method, add method, add of 10, add of 20, add of 30, multiple lines of code required. But this is a shortcut, right? It's a shortcut. Tell me what object is created? One array list object created. What is the object name? Object reference? LST1. Let me, guys, everyone understand this. List of integer. It is not integers, guys, integer. By mistake, yes is typed here. Okay. List of integer LST2 equal to arrays dot as list of 40 comma 50 comma 60. Some elements. Tell me, guys, how many list objects I have created? 2. LST1 and LST2. I have a question to all of you. Now I want to store this LST1 and LST2 into another list. Then tell me, how do you write the statement? LST1, how many integers are stored? 3. LST2, another list object. How many elements are stored? 3 elements. My requirement is what? I have 2 list objects. What I'm saying now? Store list 1, list 2 as 2 elements in list 3. Am I right or not? Okay. What is my requirement? Store list 1, list 2 into list 3. Means in list 3, first element is list 1, second element is list 2. I want to create a list of list elements. You got my point? List of list elements. This is what list of integers. Second one, list of integers. But I want to create what? List of list elements, not integers. List of list elements. Then tell me, how do you create now? You have to write like this. List of integer. LST3 equal to arrays dot as list of LST1 comma LST2. Now what is LST3? It's a list only, but it is a list of list elements. LST1, list of integers. LST2, list of integers. LST3, list of list elements. Like list of employees, you know. Similarly, what? List of list elements. That's why list of integer. List of integer. Guys, now my requirement is LST3 has how many lists? How many elements? 2 elements. 2 elements. Guys, understand this. Tell me, LS3 has how many elements? LS3 has how many elements? 2 elements. First element is what? List. It's a list. Second element is also list. My requirement is what you know? Take element, first element from LST3. Input. Who is the first element? LST1. LST1. LST3 contains 2 elements only. Take each element of LST3. Convert it into stream. Convert it into stream of elements. Tell me, LST1 is one input. Convert it into stream of 3 elements. What are 3 elements? 10, 20, 30. Are you able to follow me? Take input as one element. Return, transform it into what? Stream of multiple elements. Take second element. Transform it into stream of multiple elements. Now you got for every input element stream of multiple elements. Now again flatten all these streams into single stream. Then we have to use a method called what? flatMap. flatMap is for that purpose. It is for one-to-one transformation or one-to-many transformation. One-to-many. One-to-many. Look at this. Which method I am going to call now? flatMap. My requirement is what? I have a list 3. It has how many elements? 2 elements. Who is the first element? List. Second element, another list. What is my requirement? Take input element, transform it into one element or more elements. More, one to many. Transform it into many elements. Store those many elements in a stream. Okay. After getting all the streams, flatten them into single stream again. Flatten them into single stream. Tell me here how many streams it's going to create first? 2 streams for LST1 and for LST2. Again, we'll flat them into one stream. Which method can do that flatting? flatMap. That's why the name given as flatMap. That's what the meaning of flatMap. Okay. Look at this. Look at this, everyone. Stream of list of integer equal stream 1 equal to LST3 dot stream method. Because whenever I call stream method, then what's the type parameter of stream now? List of integers. Because LST3 contains elements of type. LST3 contains what? List elements of type. List of integer. What's the type parameter of LST3? List of integer. What's the type parameter of LST1? Integer. The type parameter provided for LST1 is integer, but for LST3 is list of integer. That's why I'm calling LST3 dot stream, which returns a stream of list of integer. Okay, right. Understand clear? In LST3, what's the type parameter? For the object LST3, what's the type parameter? List of integer. So whenever I call stream method, I'm getting what? A stream of type parameter list of integer. Next. Understand clearly? Stream of integer. Stream 2 is equal to stream 1 dot. Which method I'm calling? flatMap. Tell me flatMap method. flatMap method also accepts parameter. We have to know what parameter it accepts. If I say escape, then this code will be gone. But you just keep it in mind. We are in stream 2 statement.
Answer.
Let's go back to stream. Just a minute. Let's go back to stream. Let's go back to stream. Tell me which method I'm talking about, guys. flatMap. flatMap. Look at this. These are all different variations of flatMap. flatMap, flatMap to double, flatMap to int, flatMap to long. Okay. Right. Today you got about map to double, map to int, map to long. Similarly, flatMap, flatMap to double, flatMap to int, flatMap to long. Similar functionality. Which method I'm talking about now? flatMap. Tell me, flatMap method takes a parameter of what type? Function. Function is a functional interface. Function is a functional interface. Functional interface means what? It has one parameter. Method name is what? Apply parameter P. Return type R. R could be any type. It can take input of one type, can return result of any type. Any type. But you know what the map functionality? For every input element, it should return one output element. Tell me, what is my last statement, guys? What is my last statement, guys? Stream of integer, stream 2 equal to stream 1 dot flatMap.
Function as a parameter.
This is where we are. Tell me, what is a parameter I can pass to flatMap method? Lambda.
Function.
Because it is a function interface, I can pass lambda. That lambda expression should take how many inputs? The expression should start with a parameter. How many parameters I should start? One parameter. Because apply method has one parameter of type T. Okay. Observe here, guys. LST arrow. Are you able to follow me? Why I am writing LST? What I am writing LST?
The stream is good.
It accepts a parameter of type T. Tell me,
Yes,
what
sir.
is a type parameter of stream 1?
List of
List.
integer.
List of integer.
Yes,
Type
sir.
parameter is what there? List
List
of
of
integers. So this here LST is an employee or it's a list of integers? It's a list of integers. Tell me, what is the functionality I want to apply so that it can create a stream for this list of integers? Take input element. Are you able to get my point? And produce what? It is going to perform one-to-one transformation or one-to-many transformation. One-to-many. It is taking input as list. Should return what output as? Stream of integers. Stream of what? Integers. Stream of integers. Everybody understand this? Again, I need to open.
Can you repeat? I
It
did
is
not
difficult.
understand.
First of all, before that, you guys can understand this is stream 1. It has how many elements? 2 elements. It has how many elements? 2 elements. Who is the first element? Who is the first element? LST1. Who is the second element? LST2. LST1 is a list of integer type. LST2 is also list of integer type. That's what I'm saying. Then you tell me stream 1 has 2 elements. First element is a list of integer. Second element is also a list of integer. It has a stream of 2 elements. Now tell me, flatMap is going to take, it is going to produce many elements as output for one input element. One to many takes one input element, produces one output element or many output elements? Many output elements. But again, I need to show you. I'll write the complete statement after showing that. Guys, look at this. It is a person they have, but observe here. Which method is called here? Which method is called here? flatMap. Tell me, flatMap method takes a parameter of type what? No, normally. Normally, what a flatMap method takes? Function. But what we know, flatMap method should return one element or many? Many into a stream, right? Many into a stream, So, let me directly show you. Okay. A sample code. We are talking about this flat map. It is to perform what type of transformations? One to many transformation. One to many transformation. And then it flattens the resulting stream into single unified stream. That's what flattening. Okay. Okay. We don't need to go to very deeper, but just a minute. They are not given with integers. At least I can show you with integers. I can write, but I just want to show with integers. Okay. Okay, first let me complete. If possible, I'll show you. I want to complete my last statement. What is my last statement? Stream of integer. Stream 2 is equal to stream 1 dot flat map of LST arrow. LST is what? Input element. One input element produces stream of many output elements. Very good. Understand clearly. LST to get all the elements of list. Again, I don't want to call for each. For each element, I need to get again. I'm just thinking of any shortcut way is there for you. LST should be converted to a stream of integers. Okay, LST.stream is a shortcut. Instead of going for each again converting into stream, directly stream operation is there. LST.stream. See first here, guys. Do you know what LST.stream returns? Normally, you have a list object. You call stream method. What object is created? Stream object is created. Here, LST is a list of. Stream 1 is a phone. At least tell me this. Phone is cheppandi. Guys, tell me, this is stream 1. Tell me what is there in our example of stream 1? How many elements are there? 2 elements are there. Who are they? LST1. LST1 type is list of integers. LST2. LST2 is also what? A list of what, guys? Integers. List of integers. Am I clear? List of integers. Tell me, whenever I call flatMap method, what flatMap method will take? one by one element. From where? Stream 1. What are there in stream 1? List of integers, list objects are there. This flatMap method is going to first execute the given functionality on first element. Takes first element from here. The parameter is the first element now. Converted to what? Stream. Stream of what? Integers. Because this list is containing integers. One stream of integers created. Takes second element from stream 1. Now LST is second element. Again converted to what? Stream of integers. Now we'll flatten the two streams together into single stream. Result is what? Stream 2. Stream 2 contains what? Flattened format of list 1 integers and list 2 integers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All are there in stream 2. All are there in stream 2. Now, convert the stream 2 into another list. Tell me how to convert the stream 2 into a list now. List of integer. LST4 is equal to, tell me what? Stream 2 dot to list. Now guys, if you display this list 4, how many inputs, how many elements are displayed? 6 elements are displayed. What are the elements? 10, 20, 30. Next, 40, 50, 60. First list contains 10, 20, 30. Second list contains 40, 50, 60. For the first list, converted to stream. Second list, converted to stream. Both are again flattened and combined together into one stream. That one stream is containing 6 elements. Are you able to get my point? So which method will do that flattened format? flatMap. So what flatMap is doing? Taking one input element and producing a stream of multiple output elements. It is doing one to many transformations. Okay, according to our example, stream 1 has how many elements? Stream 1, not list 1, stream 1, 2 elements. Stream 1 has 2 lists. First element is a list. Second element is what flatMap will do, will take first element as input, creates a stream of output elements. What is the stream of output elements? Stream of integers. Takes second element, second list, again converts into stream of integers. Stream of integers. Again will flat these two into one. Finally, I am getting one stream. That one stream is containing how many elements now? 6 elements. If you display them, 6 elements will be displayed. Let us write the same code here. Look at this case. Public void flatMap test. Public void flatMap test. Now, yeah, we'll start. Guys, which method I'm talking about? Which method I'm talking about? flatMap test method I'm talking about. Look at this case. First, I want to create list of integer. If I write in one line, you may get confused. That's why I'm writing. Otherwise, I can write in a single line. Look at this. List of integer, because you have to learn. List of integer. LST1 is equal to, I'm taking one list directly. Arrays dot as list of arrays dot as list of 10, 20, 30, comma arrays dot again as list of 40, 50, 60. Semicolon. Tell me, this is a shortcut way of creating the same, right? If you are confused, I'll go back to our code. If you are confused, I can able to write my code like this as well. And then tell me, first, how many list objects I have created? 2 lists. How to store these 2 lists into one more list? Then I should create a list of integers, correct? Tell me, what should I write now? LST1 comma LST2. So hope I'm clear for you. Hope I'm clear for you. List of integers, LST3. Now tell me, what is my requirement now? What is my requirement now? My requirement is from list 3, take one by one element, convert it into stream of output elements, and then flatten all the streams together into, combine them into one stream. So which method can do this task? flatMap can do the task, not map, flatMap. Because map can only perform one-to-one conversion, but flatMap can do one-to-many conversion, one-to-many conversion, one-to-many conversion. Yes, look at this. First, tell me how to create a stream 1 for list 3. Stream is also a generic interface. We should provide the type parameter. Tell me this stream, the type of elements into the stream will be list of integers. List of integers. Stream 1 is equal to LST3 dot. First create a stream. First you have to create what object? Stream. Then you can call flatMap. Tell me stream 1 dot, left side one I'll write later. Stream 1 dot, tell me which method I want to call. flatMap of. Okay, what this flatMap method will do? Takes one input element from the stream, input stream. Who is the input stream here? Stream 1 takes one element, converts into stream of output elements. Next, it takes second input element, will convert into stream of output elements. All the streams will flatten them, again creates one single stream. One single stream. Yes. So LST dot stream. I have a question to you. Tell me, this flatMap method will execute how many times? Will apply this functionality on how many elements? 2 elements. First element, LST1. Second element, for LST1, one stream of input elements, one stream of integers created. For LST2, another stream of integer. Again, these 2 streams are combined together and produce like one more stream, last stream, output stream. Output will be into stream of integer. Stream 2 is equal to. Then how to convert the stream 2 into a list? List of integer. LST4 is equal to stream 2 dot to list. Now you display the list. SOP of LST4. I can use for each also. Already many methods we called. That's why simply SOP. Call this flatMap test method from main, guys. It will return the output now. Service dot, which method I need to call? flatMap test method I need to call, and I should display output now. Tell me, we are getting all elements first list 1 elements and list 2 elements combined together now. Yes. So which method I should call? if you have a two collections, if you want to club the elements of two collections and make them like a one single stream or one single collection, I need to go for flatMap. You have two collection objects, two list objects or three list objects like that. Now you want to combine the elements of all these collections together and I want to prepare single collection. Then which method I should use? flatMap. In my example, how many list objects I have? Two. First one contains list of integers. Second list contains list of integers. Now I want to club them together into one single list. Then tell me which method I have to use? flatMap. flatMap example is this one. That's how. Same answer you can say. For example, I have a list of employees. LST1. Some employees are there, leave it. List of employee. LST2. Everyone understand this. LST2. LST2. Guys, in the first list, 10 employees are there. In the second list, 8 employees are there. First list is a list of 10 elements. Second list is a list of 8 elements. Now, what is my requirement? I want to flatten the two lists together into one list only. Means I want to get a list of employee with 18 elements. Employees. Are you getting my point? Then tell me which stream method I can use so that I can flatten the elements of list 1 and list 2 together and combine them like a single one. flatMap. So when to use a flatMap? When to use a flatMap? If you want to take one element as input and produce it into multiple, transform that one into multiple elements. And then you want to flatten all of them together into one string. Then go for flatMap method. My requirement is what? I have two different list objects. List 1 contains some employees. List 2 contains some employees. Flat these two together into one single list. Then tell me first which method I have to call? flatMap. flatMap returns a stream of flattened stream of multiple streams. Then convert the stream into list. You got the list. Now your last list is going to contain 18 elements. Then you should go for which method? flatMap method. Am I clear with you guys? That's how flatMap method works. That's how the flatMap method works. Good. Now guys, online people, I'm sharing this code in the chat box. One minute. Tomorrow I will talk some more operations. Tomorrow we are going to conclude the stream operations. And tomorrow only I will also talk about the another Java 8 feature. Date time we'll discuss after, because tomorrow I will talk about another important feature that is called completable future class. It is an interface actually. Completable future. I'm going to talk about what is completable future, what is future object, what is completable future object, what is called executor. It's a concept called executor. That executors is the topic tomorrow I'll explain. I'll talk about executors topic tomorrow. After discussing the remaining stream operations like grouping functionality is there. After understanding about the grouping functionality, based on the time, I'll talk about executors. What is it? Executors. I'll talk tomorrow. Are you getting my point? And suppose tomorrow if I'm unable to start the executors or if little bit of executors is completed, I will continue the class even on Sunday to explain the executors. Okay? Because on Monday, I will explain Monday and Tuesday, 2 days. I'll explain about Java 17 features. What features? Java 17. So Java 8 features, I will conclude tomorrow and even by taking the session on Sunday as well. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Sunday
What
time I'll
about
tell you tomorrow.
parallel stream?
Sunday's time I'll tell you tomorrow.
Hi, sir. What about parallel stream?
That will be covered here only tomorrow. Parallel stream is one method. Parallel stream is a 10 minutes explanation. Instead of calling the stream method, if I call parallel stream, it is called parallel stream. But I'll tell you how it works.
Thank you.
That's it, okay?
Sir,
Name
can
is
we
only
get
big.
a good notes?
Concept is nothing.
Some example related to Steam API example related to maps functionality.
Sorry.
The Steam API example related to having the
Sir, he is asking map example, sir. Map example.
One minute, okay? I'm not getting it clearly, but still, I'll answer your question just a minute. Yeah, so the document is shared. You download it first, everyone. Okay, you download this document and practice it.